Hi, thanks for taking a few minutes to view our video. We believe a personal subscription to our website can greatly help your child in his or her math class. Upon logging in, students are taken to the My Practice tab, where they can choose their current class and the topics they wish to review. Suppose a student's in algebra, they can simply click on the Common Core Algebra, and they'll have a list of all the topics covered throughout the year in algebra. Suppose a student wishes to practice some topics within linear equations, in particular concept 2, solving equations with multiple variables. They simply click on that concept. They may choose to watch a complete lesson on that individual concept, or they can create a practice test of questions. If they click practice test, they can pick that particular concept or multiple concepts at once. Click next. Select both levels of difficulty and simply enter the number of questions they'd like to practice. Let's say 12. Once they click Create Practice Set, they'll get 12 questions that were given on former Regents exams that deal with that particular concept. Students can then try each question, answer their question. They'll be told if they're right or wrong, and if their question was incorrect, they might want to view a solution. Every question in our database has a complete video solution. So students can simply click Video Solution, and a window will pop up and give them a full video solution for that particular question. It's really a great way to review for any quizzes or tests your child may have. Now, once your child is finished reviewing a concept, they might want to go back to their dashboard and use our new feature, our assessment feature. Each of these concepts have a ready-to-take assessment created by a teacher of this class, which gives questions of the most importance in that particular concept. So for example, if the student wants to practice that same concept, they can once again click that particular concept and click the Take Assessment. These assessments will be 10 questions chosen by the teacher to make sure the student understands all the important concepts, formulas, and procedures necessary to really master that particular concept. Once the student finishes these 10 questions, they'll get a score right in their dashboard. Now, as your student continues to take these assessments, their assessment page will begin to fill with their performance, which is indicated by the color-coded boxes. For example, in this first assessment for Concept 1, the student scored an 80%, indicated by a green color. The students can always review those assessments by clicking the Review button, and they'll get a list of those questions, and they can always revisit the questions they got wrong by just clicking on that question. They'll be able to try it again, and then also watch the solution to that question. Suppose in Concept 2, the student gets a score, in this case, of a 67, so they're doing okay with it, but they probably still need some additional practice. We always recommend that the student goes back to their dashboard, so to speak, and select that same concept again by clicking the My Practice tab. Then they could revisit that particular concept. They can watch a full lesson, or they can just create their own practice set, as detailed before, and maybe try some additional problems from that topic. Once they have practiced a little more, they can go back to their assessment page and take a second assessment. And we hope when they take that second assessment, their score will be better. We want to get those green boxes to show a level of mastery. So, as the student continues through their journey on Mathrightnow, this page will start to populate with all the colors, giving parents a quick bird's eye view of how their student is doing. So for example, in this last concept, maybe the student had some trouble at the beginning. They had a red score indicating that they need some extra help, but then they took it twice more and eventually got to that level of mastery that we like to see. And finally, once a student is done with all the concepts in a particular topic, it's always wise to take a topic assessment. That topic assessment is a collection of all the most important types of problems from that particular topic. So it'll have several questions from each concept, but these are the questions that are most often tested on or quizzed on. So it's always a good idea for a student, once they finish all the concepts in that particular topic, to take the topic assessment. And again, they can take it multiple times and try to reach that level of mastery. Finally, we'd like to mention that towards the end of the year, students will be busy preparing for their Regents examinations, and we have plenty of help for that task. We have a Common Core Regents exam tab where every past Regents has been fully completed, and students can click on any Regents they like and view any solution for any question in that or on that particular Regents. So that's a very effective tool to have as they get homework assignments from past Regents exams, or if they wish to just practice for their upcoming Regents. Well, that concludes our video. We hope it helps you see what Mathrightnow offers your student. We believe that with regular use, students can greatly improve their performance in their current class and have an ideal way to prepare for their future assessments and Regents exams. To view a sample solution, please click one of the links below. Thanks, and have a great day.